Alaikum and good morning. Today we are going to start the question answers of the chapter ionic bond. Let's see the true false first of all. I'm giving you the answers, but you have to give me the reason why that answer is true or false. Now, the first one is all noble gases have an octet electronic configuration. This is false. Atoms lose or gain electrons to become noble gases. This is also false. Metals form cations by losing electrons, and non-metals form anions by gaining electrons. This is true. Electron transfer in the formation of an ionic compound can be represented by a dot and cross diagram. True. The chemical formula aluminium chloride indicates that formula unit of aluminium chloride contains 3 aluminium ions and 1 chloride ion. And this is false. The ions magnesium and carbonate form the ionic compound Mg2CO3. Now, the formula is written as Mg2CO3, which is false. In an ionic lattice, the ions of the same charges are arranged side by side is also false. And the last one is the electrostatic attraction between ions is weak and can be overcome easily. Thus, ionic compounds have low melting and boiling points. This is also false. Now you have to give me the correct answers of the false statements. Now let's see the multiple choice questions. Which atom loses 2 electrons from its outer shell to form an ion? The options are calcium, carbon, chlorine and oxygen. I would like to see what is your answer. Which of the following ions does not have the electronic configuration of an argon atom? Now, there are 4 options there. I am going to write the options for you and you are going to tell me what is the answer. Which of the following? Now, option A is calcium plus 2. Option B is sulfur minus 2. Option C is potassium plus 1 and D is oxygen minus 2. Please give me the answer and the reason as well. And then talc is a mineral which has the formula. Now I am going to write the formula of the talc first and then the question. Mg2Si 4O10 OH twice. Now in this formula you have to find the charge on Si4O10. Now how to find this charge is a bit tricky, so I am going to solve this for you. First of all, let's see the available elements. Magnesium. Magnesium is in group 2 plus 2 and there are 2 magnesium. Of Si4O10 we have to find the answer, and hydroxyl molecule or ion has -1 charge and there are 2 ions. Now, one thing you have to remember is that overall, a molecule is neutral, which means it has zero charge. So, sum of all these charges should be 0. Now, sum of all charges, there are 3 charges: magnesium, silicon oxide, and hydroxide. Okay, now let's see. Plus 2 multiplied by 2, because there are 2 magnesium ions and it is in group 2. Silicon oxide is unknown, and plus minus 1 into 2, because hydroxide ion has minus 1 charge and there are 2 hydroxide ions. Minus 1 into 2. The sum of all of these should be 0. 2 into 2 is plus 4 plus silicon oxide plus minus 2 is equal to 0. By solving it, we have Si4O10 plus 4 and minus 2 is equal to plus 2 is equal to 0. By moving plus 2 on the other side, it will become minus 2. So the charge is minus 2. Si4O10 is equal to minus 2, which is the answer. Magnesium is here 3. So, sorry, my mistake. You have to change this magnesium as 3. So, it will be plus 6. And the final answer will be minus 4. Okay, stop.